Oh, hi guys. I don't know. I just paused the game for a little bit to make sure that my clip was saved, and this happened. I guess I got hit by the police again. I don't know. But some guns like the AK-47, AKR, and sniper rifle can shoot through surface. Oh, all right. Come on. All right. Now I'm gonna actually try to get out of here. I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna like just run for the police. I do want to get something. Get out of the car! Get out of the car! That's faster than my car. Alright, let's do this, guys. I got this down. Alright, let's do this. I got this. I got this. I'm not gonna stop for nothing. Oh, except for dying. Oh my gosh. You are so lucky, huh? Oh, I just ran them over though.
Stop! We will shoot you!
You already did, homie. I'm no scared of no cops. I got my takedown and my gun. I'm out off-road, bro. Off-road. Try and follow me now. You can't because you gotta stay on road. I'm out of here, homie. I'm out of here.
I needed this bad.
Wait, where am I going? Reach your hideout, alright?
Just
Alright.
need to break through. How? Push Maury's hard. Torture's not gonna work on this guy, so I need to get inside his head. Be able to beating him up.
That's
I'll give
lightning,
him
I
a couple
think.
of days. I bet he'll start reaching out.
Oh. Alright. Map and GPS. Press the tab pad. Press the pad to put the world map on. And then press the X button to place a GPS marker, alright? View an objective on the top left corner of the map. Fast travel to any hideout. Alright, how do you fast travel then? Any hideout. Wait. How do you hide out? How do you fast? Gosh darn it, how do you fast travel? Whatever, I'll just go by this. I like driving. Oh my gosh, he's like... Oh, wow. I think I said just as much as... I just wanted that ice cream truck. Let's see if I can get a car on my way. Hey. I'm running here. Give me that car. I'm drunk, that's why. That's my problem. Wait. I like that song. I don't even know what this song is. Alright, yeah, I'm liking this. Yeah. Explode. I'm guessing that exploding next to something isn't very... Alright, yes. ATM. Give me your money, homie. Fine, I don't want your money. I want a snack. Ah!
911, please state your emergency.
Please! Jesus, is shooting! Someone's shooting!
No!
I don't want to hurt you, I just want to go into my room. Squad all units. Okay, I don't care. I'm in my room now. Probably some story thing happening in there. Ugh! I'm just jumping around, doing what I like, cause I know.
I heard stories, man, like nothing I've ever seen before. You gotta walk away from this, man.
Why are you sitting here? He's coming, right? Not like last time. Jackson, I did invite him. It's been so long. Are you sure you called the right number?
Is that his son?
Your uncle's a different kind of person.
Wait.
Doesn't mean he doesn't love us.
Whoa. Alright. So it's his uncle? Is that his dad up there? No, I think that's Morris. Morris. My name is Morris. I like to eat floor. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Reach your hideout. Alright. Let's see what I can find in here. Hello. It's Bad Boy 17. Hanging out with Leafy. Oh, jerk. I wanna lay down.
We'll share what we have. That back door
Oh.
allows you some access to the
Hee
CTOS
hee,
network.
jumping
I'm
around.
still working on something bigger. Give me time.
Alright. Skill point acquired. Open the skills tree. Hacking. Hold. Oh, I'm holding it. Right? Hold. Oh, select. Accept. Oh yeah, alright. So, alright, let's see this. Oh, ooh, interesting. Combat. Steady aim. Decreases. Or. Wait, how? Oh, I have 5. Yeah, take that. Give me that. Yeah, I want that. And then, let's see what else I can get. Driving. Definitely need help driving. Yeah, I'll take whatever you can give me. Then, crafted items. Grenade or jam. I want grenade, homie. Yeah, I accept. And then, what else can I do? I could hacking the L train. Or I could extra battery. Or I could hack bridges. I want... Oh, blockers. That's like... Yeah, I want blockers. Accept. Alright. I got this. Let's go. Ooh, stuff to grab. Bottom of vein. Mission complete. Electronic parts. Microwave. Let's see. Rest system. Use your hideouts. Fast forward to rest. Resting changes the time of day, fills focus, and saves your game. It will rest your heat and not available during missions. Alright. Chemical component. Unstable chemical component. Hey, when's the last time you took a shower? 'Cause you stank. Not the game. The character. He stinks. Wait, what's this mean? Hack. Crafting component to one-time hack. Wardrobe. Hey, why can't I change clothes? What's this mean? Alright. I can't run in rooms because it's not right to run in rooms. Intercept audio log.
I'd fix her to help me find the shooter. Jordy Chin. I'm skeptical at first because the guy's eccentric. He's got a motor mouth. Insists I'm wearing a fancy suit to work.
Yep,
So far,
it's
he
fancy,
delivers.
and I like it.
Help me dig up a name. Maurice Vega.
Maurice Vega. Alright guys, well, this is where I have to leave you guys off. I guess I'll do this before. I'll sign off before he sleeps, but I'll be back. Don't worry. Have a nice day, and I hope you guys choose to subscribe or something.